How to turn on or turn off pre-recording for single take in camera on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Camera app. After you click on Camera app, click on this four dot icon and click on More. After click on More, you will see single take is here. Click on single take. You will see pre-recording is turned on. So if you want to record pre-recording for single take, you will see. If you want to turn off pre-recording for single tap, click on this icon. You will see pre-recording is turned off. You will turn on or turn off pre-recording from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on or turn off pre-recording for single take in camera on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.